Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into UnitedHealth Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 5th of June, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of April, 2025, our system has designated UnitedHealth Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.48. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 34.85%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.03% since it was identified as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decline within this trend. The present 3-month trend indicates a possible decrease of approximately 38.64% over the next 3 months, with a projected return ranging from -55.80% to -9.24%. Examining the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of -21.56%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -29.62% to +52.70% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $208.21 and $451.76. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group includes the headline: a decline on Thursday for UnitedHealth Group stock after losing 1.51%. The UnitedHealth Group stock price fell by 1.51% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 5th of June, 2025, dropping from $300.38 to $295.84. This marks a decline for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 2.81%, ranging from a low of $294.15 to a high of $302.42. Over the last 10 days, the price has decreased in 6 of those days, resulting in an overall decline of 2.36% for this period. Notably, the trading volume increased by 1 million shares on the last day, despite the falling prices. This could signal an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 12 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $3.66 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $630.73, while the lowest price was $248.88. Currently, the stock price stands at 53.10%, or $334.80, below the 52-week high of $630.73, which remains the all-time high for this stock. UnitedHealth Group, trading under the symbol UNH, is currently experiencing a challenging period following significant negative developments disclosed on the 5th of June, 2025. The company is facing class action lawsuits due to allegations of substantial financial misconduct. Specifically, UnitedHealth is accused of making undisclosed payments to nursing homes to manipulate patient transfers and is dealing with pending securities fraud litigation. These revelations have emerged during a troubling year where UNH shares have dropped by over 40%, resulting in a considerable erosion of investor trust. The sudden departure of its CEO further complicates the company's recovery efforts. Disturbingly, these events have prompted a negative outlook revision by AM Best for UnitedHealth and its subsidiaries, indicating growing concerns among credit rating agencies about its financial stability. In the short term, the stock price is likely to remain volatile as investor sentiment is heavily influenced by ongoing legal disputes and uncertainties in management. The potential for further decline is heightened by various criminal and civil investigations into its business practices. Long-term recovery will depend on the company's ability to restore confidence, realign its governance, and mitigate legal exposures. Additionally, while the board has recently approved a dividend increase, The sustainability of such distributions under the current circumstances may come under scrutiny. Thus, the implications for UNH are significant, with immediate pressure on its stock price likely to persist as the company navigates this challenging landscape. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned UNH a reduce rating, accompanied by a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 20th of May, 2025, it was noted that Wolfe Research gave UNH an outperform rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned UNH a hold rating, also followed by a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley gave UNH an overweight rating with a hold action. On the same day, Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned UNH a market perform rating, accompanied by a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to UnitedHealth Group stock. They believe the price-to-earnings ratio warrants a sell rating, while the price-to-book ratio is considered a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts are giving the stock a strong buy recommendation. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, and so far it has risen by approximately 7.83%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, several negative signals have also emerged which may impact the short-term development. The UnitedHealth Group stock currently presents sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic forecast for the stock. Moreover, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected from the levels of $300.05 and $361.51. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Volume increased despite falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 15 days ago. The Bollinger Bands reflect a buy signal from 38 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 35 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 32 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average suggests a sell signal from 35 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 35 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 30 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. UnitedHealth Group finds support from accumulated volume at $295. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a broad prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $8.27 between its high and low, amounting to a change of 2.81%. In the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.93%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio may suggest either a low expectation for the company's future performance or that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 15th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $5.30. It is crucial to monitor these numbers as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UnitedHealth Group is at $302.98. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, UnitedHealth Group encounters its first support level at $295. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 2nd of June, 2025, Conway Patrick Hughes conducted an insider buy of 1,641 shares of common stock. On the same day, Conway Patrick Hughes also conducted an insider buy of 6,550 shares of non-qualified stock options, which grants the right to buy. On the 20th of May, 2025, Hemsley Stephen J. conducted an insider sell of 2,525 shares of common stock. On the 16th of May, 2025, Rex John F. conducted an insider buy of 17,175 shares of common stock. On the same day, Hemsley Stephen J. also conducted an insider buy of 86,700 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 87.610. Overall, insiders purchased 1,041,628 shares and sold 72,964 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? UnitedHealth Group presents several negative indicators and is currently within a broad and declining trend, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 6th of June, we anticipate that UnitedHealth Group will open higher by $1.63, starting at a price of $297.47. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.